Good morning, dear students. I hope you are doing good. I wish you a very happy Diwali to all of you. Now we should come back to study. So, today we are going to discuss chapter 9 Food for Health. In this chapter, we will learn so many things related to food and health. Food. Food is our basic need. We cannot live without food. We eat food to stay healthy, but often we have desire to take junk food like pizza, burger, soft drinks, etc. Junk food is not good for our body. Food items which contains nutrients like milk, rice, chapatis, vegetables, etc. are the need of our body. We should avoid junk food items as they may cause many health problems. As you know, food is essential to live, to stay fit and healthy. Now, we have to learn undernutrition or malnutrition. What do you mean by this term? Malnutrition or undernutrition. Many people who are not getting proper or sufficient food for eating, that causes people suffer from malnutrition or undernutrition. In our country, many people cannot get sufficient food because of poverty. So, people should eat balanced diet food. You must be thinking, what is the meaning of balanced diet? Balanced diet is a combination of different types of food which gives us all the nutrients in our body we need. These nutrients are fats, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. As you can see, balanced diet chart is given below. First, proteins. Proteins helps to build up our body. They help us making skin and blood and make us healthy. We eat fish, milk, cheese, pulses, eggs and nuts to get protein. Next, fats. Fats gives us energy. Food item like oil, ghee, butter, etc. gives us fat, but too much fat is harmful for us. Next, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates gives us energy. Food items like potato, rice, sugar, breads contain carbohydrates. Next, vitamins. Vitamins increase the ability to fight against disease. Minerals. Minerals are important to growth or development. We get vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables. We also need sufficient water and roughage for our body. Water is extremely important for us. About 2/3 of our body made up of water. Fiber called roughage is the indigestible part of our food. Fiber helps in digestion of food. Many vegetables and fruits, mango, cucumber, and ladyfinger is a good source of roughage. When our body does not get enough food and nutrients, then it gets affected by disease. One of the disease is malnourishment. Malnourishment occurs mostly in age of 1 to 5 years in children. The symptoms are develops a large belly, gets sore on the skin, looks pale and sick, get tired easily, has retarded growth, skin gets dry, has low appetite. Disease caused by the deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Disease which are caused by deficiency of some vital nutrients over a long periods of time are called a deficiency of disease. There are many diseases which are caused by lack of essential nutrients. Let's discuss about them. Night blindness. Loss of vision is caused by lack of vitamins. Its symptoms are poor vision, darkness, the eyes become dull. We can prevent from this disease. We should take green leafy, carrots, papaya, tomato, mango, etc. because in these contain have rich vitamin A. Beriberi. This disease is caused by lack of vitamin B. This disease has symptoms like low appetite, sore tongue, dry and rough skin, cracks around the corners of the mouth. We can prevent this disease by taking eggs, unpolished rice, peas, milk, etc. Scurvy. Scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. This disease has symptoms like bleeding gums, swelling, etc. We should take more of citric fruits like orange, grapes, lemon, amla, etc. to prevent this disease. Next, rickets. Rickets is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. This disease has symptoms like bones weakness, legs become bow-shaped. To prevent from this disease, we should take healthy diet rich in vitamin D. Disease caused by deficiency of mineral. Goiter. Goiter is a deficiency of iodine in our body. Person should take iodized salt and more of seafood in diet. Anemia. Deficiency of iron in our body causes are called anemia. The major symptoms of disease: sickness, get tired easily. We should take a diet rich in iron like apple, carrot, spinach, eggs, meats and green leafy vegetables. All the deficiency disease are non-communicable disease. That is, these are not transferred from a sick person to a healthy person. This is enough for today. We will continue rest portion of this chapter in our next video.